Round 7,483 to the nearest thousand. So we're rounding this spot. The way I love to explain these problems is you want to think about, if we're rounding to the nearest thousand, it means we can either go up to 8,000 or go down to 7,000. And you look at this and it's like, which one is it closer to, 7,000 or 8,000? I'd say it's closer to 7,000 because it's 483 away from 7,000. It's 517 away from 8,000. Therefore, we're gonna go with 7,000. We round it down. The other way to think about it is we look at the 100 spot, right? If it's 5 or greater, we jump up to 8,000. If it's 4 or less, like it is here, we jump down to 7,000. So this goes down to 0, or all of these numbers go down to 0, and we got 7,000.